The Meldorfer compound is the original facing compound. This is the same mass that we use in the production of the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. You can order this compound in all color shades. It is provided with additives so that it's dry faster directly on the facade. The compound can be used in many ways, such as creating your own facing bricks directly on the facade. For this, it is necessary to think about the dimensions in which you would like to have the facing bricks on your facade. For this purpose, I glued a tape on the wall which reflects your format. It is important to make sure that the tape does not extend into the later facing surface and it's cut off cleanly there. Once this has been done, the Meldorfer compound can be applied to the facade using the trowel technique. Take the compound onto the trowel and spread it over the entire surface. An application thickness of approx 3 to 4 mm must be achieved. Once this has been done, the surface can be smoothed, or you can use a second color for your design. The surface can be sanded if you liked. After that, it is very important that the tapes must be removed carefully out of the wet compound. At first, the underlaying surface must be painted with a plaster primer. This can be colored in any color that you selected for your joints. Finally, you have your own created Meldorfer compound design on your facade. Another application for the Meldorfer compound is in the corner area, when corners do not have a 90-degree angle, and only flat-facing bricks were used in this area. For this, we have chosen the example of Meldorfer Steingrau from the standard range. This has a format 135 to 300 mm. We will now manually filling the joint with the compound. To do this, we will insert the Meldorfer compound into the joints in the corner area with a trowel. When the corners are well filled, they can be modeled with a brush. Do not be confused, because the wet color of our compound is lighter. It fits when the compound is dry. Afterwards, the corner surface can be sanded. This supports the natural appearance of the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. These are possible applications for the Meldorfer compound.